Mark Friedlander is the Director of Corporate Communications for the Insurance Information Institute and is with us this morning to help us kind of better understand the relief and how soon people will be getting it. Mark, thank you for being with us. So this is not an instant fix for people who are left with nothing.
Exactly. This is a first step toward stability. Florida's had the most volatile property insurance market in the country for many years. We've had 6 companies go insolvent this year. More than 20 other companies are on the financial health watch list of the insurance regulator. The market was on verge of collapse. And then you have hurricanes Ian and Nicole. The problems we had in Florida were man-made, caused by litigation abuse and assignment of benefits abuse. And we had no hurricanes for many years until this season when Ian struck us as a major category 4 hurricane. Now we have hurricane issues combined with the man-made issues, and that is a recipe for disaster and potential collapse. So the legislature needed to take very strong actions, which they've done this week. We call this landmark legislation. We've never seen a reform bill this strong before, and there was great consensus between the leadership of the House and Senate to get this passed quickly and then move it along to the governor, who, once he signs the bill into law, it will become effective immediately.
So it sounds to me, Mark, like this problem had been brewing for a while. It took several really big storms to realize how bad it actually was. So looking forward, how soon will some of these folks receive relief?
Realistically, we typically see a cycle of 12 months or more before you see some moderation in the market after reform like this is implemented. The key goal at this point is get the market stable. So no more companies collapse. Eventually, we will get to more moderate rate changes year over year. And we will also get a market where other companies want to write home insurance business rather in Florida. And that gives consumers more choice. If they have options to shop their coverage, they will find better rates that way.
Well, and the other part of the problem, Mark, I talked to a couple of people after Hurricane Ian went through, and they were in litigation from previous storms because they still hadn't received any relief, these really high premiums. So they ended up having to hire attorneys to fight for them because it wasn't going anywhere. So how does this address those attorney fees, the one-way fees that have been so problematic for homeowners and the industry?
With the regulation in this bill, Florida now eliminates one-way attorney fees, which have been abused for many years. Most of the litigation we saw was what's considered frivolous, not legitimate claim disputes like the one you're talking about. And Florida will be the 40th state in the country to eliminate one-way attorney fees. So the model has worked very well in other states. That's why Florida is such an outlier. They've had 116,000 lawsuits filed in the state of Florida last year. The next highest state was California with 3,900. So you can see there's a big problem in Florida. Litigation is out of control and it's being abused by certain groups of attorneys. This will get that back in check, and it will help save the insurance industry because 6 companies failed this year because they were litigated out of business, the expenses of litigation.
No, it's a problem with a lot of layers. I'm glad that there are some efforts being done to address it. As you said, not an immediate fix. My question, and this is for a later time, is why did it get this bad, right? We saw this coming. Mark Friedlander, Director of Corporate Communications for the Insurance Information Institute. Interesting stuff and important for folks who are left holding the bag here. Thank you for coming on. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.